welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to install the Tor browser in Kali Linux 2022.4 step by step. The Tor browser is a web browser that anonymizes your web traffic using the Tor network, making it easy to protect your identity online. Tor is an open network of servers run by volunteers that the non-profit Tor Project guides. So first of all, open the official website of the Tor Project. I will give the link below in the description. Now click on the Download Tor Browser option. Now here you can see the Tor browser is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android as well. So here you have to click on Download for Linux option for Kali Linux. Now your Tor browser tar file is downloaded. Go to the location of the download file. So in this tutorial, I use terminal. So go to the location of the file using cd command. And here you can see the downloaded Tor browser tar file. Now we have to extract the tar file using this command. I will give all commands in the description below. It will take some time to extract the Tor browser. Now go to the extracted directory, which is the Tor browser, using the cd command. Now here you can see the extracted files and directory. We have to run the start Tor browser.desktop file to open the Tor browser on Kali Linux. So this is the command to run the Tor browser on Kali Linux. But if you want to use a file manager, so open your file manager in Kali Linux and go to the download directory. Then go to the extracted directory, which is the Tor browser. Now here simply double click on Start to Browser Desktop. And then click on Launch Anyway. So this is the Tor browser running on Kali Linux. Now here we have to check this box, always connect automatically. So you do not need to follow this step again and again. And then click on Connect option. It will connect you to the Tor network. Now you are connected to the Tor network successfully. So this is the Tor browser on Kali Linux. Now we have to verify whether our Tor browser is running with Tor network or not. So you can open this link on your Tor browser and verify whether it is connected or not. Check.torproject.org is the link where you can check the status of your Tor network. And here you can see that the Tor browser is connected to the Tor network. So that is it. This is the way how to install the Tor browser in Kali Linux 2022.4 step by step. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much. See you in next video.